Rhinophyma is one of those conditions that can look intimidating from the outside, but once you understand what's happening beneath the surface, the entire approach becomes clearer and much more controlled. It's not just about enlarged pores or simple congestion, it's a thickening of the skin, a buildup of tissue and oil, and an overgrowth of the structures around the nose that gradually create that bumpy, uneven appearance. And because the changes happen slowly over time, many people don't even realize how much buildup has formed until it starts affecting the shape and texture of the nose. That's why extraction here isn't the same as dealing with regular blackheads. It requires precision, patience, and a careful respect for how sensitive this area can be. When working with Rhinophyma, the goal isn't to be aggressive, it's to be methodical. The skin is dense, the pores are often stretched or distorted, and the buildup tends to sit deeper than what you'd see on a typical extraction. That's why softening the surface, preparing the tissue, and giving the area time to relax is essential. You never want to rush that step because once the skin responds, everything that follows becomes safer and more effective. Each extraction needs steady, controlled pressure, enough to encourage release, never enough to cause injury. And with Rhinophyma, it's normal for some areas to release easily and others to resist. The key is knowing when to stop, when to shift focus, and when to let the skin rest. Forcing anything in this condition does more harm than good. What makes these extractions so rewarding is seeing the transformation that happens as the buildup comes off and the natural contours of the nose begin to reappear. Even small changes make a huge visual difference, and for many people, it's the first time they've seen their skin look smoother, lighter, and less congested in years. That's why the approach matters so much. When you treat the skin with patience and skill, it responds beautifully. And in the end, the most powerful results always come from respecting the process and letting the skin guide each step.